So hello guys, welcome back to the new tutorial. In this tutorial, we are going to see what are keep filters and remove filters functions in Power BI. So the keep filter function modifies how filters are applied while evaluating a calculate or calculatable function, whereas the remove filter function clears the filter from the specified tables or columns. Now let's try to understand their syntax. So for that, what I will do is I will just create a new measure. So for that, go to home, and inside my calculation tab, there is one option known as new measure. So just select this. And over here, I will just give any random name. Just a second, it is taking some time. Yeah, it is over here. Now I will just use the keep filter function. And as you guys can see, it has only one parameter, that is basically the expression. Over here, you can pass any expression that you want. This is basically the filter that you want to apply on this table, and it will return a table of values. So in this way, I can use this keep filter function, which is there in my Power BI DAX. Now let's move on to the remove filter. So basically, remove filters function clears all the filters that are available from that table or columns. So this time I will just select this remove filter function, which is available in my Power BI DAX. And if you see the syntax, it is saying table name or column name, and the second parameter is column name 1, column name 2, and so on. So basically, the first parameter is the table that you want to clear the filters on, and the second one, which is the optional one, which is the column, which is basically the column that you want to clear filters on. So you can do this by giving the table name and column name, and all the filters which are applied on that table, on that column, it will get removed. So in this way, I can do this remove filters and keep filters functions in Power BI DAX. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorials.